In this video, I'm going to be revealing a simple strategy in which you can earn up to $30, sometimes even more, just by following 3 steps. Okay. There is no investment required. You just need to follow the instructions that I'm going to be sharing in this video because I'm going to be revealing several secrets just to make sure that you're going to get or you're going to earn the most with this strategy. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you a full step-by-step tutorial. And by the way, guys, at the time recording this video, it doesn't matter where you guys are because you can earn money with this. There are several payment methods in which you can actually withdraw the money. So there is no excuses, but please make sure that you're going to watch this video. And at the end, I'm going to be revealing a bonus, which is going to be another way in which you can actually make even more money online. So you're going to have 2 ways in which you can earn money. So let me show you everything. Let me go right now and share my screen. Okay, there are several steps that you need to follow. The first one is that you need to go to paypal.com. Okay, you need to go to paypal.com and you will need to create a PayPal account. Okay, that's a way in which you can actually withdraw the money. Um, just in case that you're like, I'm wondering, like you mentioned that there are several ways in which you can make money or you can withdraw the money. Yes, I'm going to show you that in a moment, but let me tell you something really important. Okay. If you are looking to use PayPal, but for some reason you cannot withdraw the money, okay, my favorite option is go to RTM. There's going to be a link below so you can create a free account. And RTM right now, it's like a digital wallet in which you can deposit the money there from PayPal and you can withdraw it into your favorite cryptocurrency. You can also have the opportunity to use a virtual debit account. There is no minimum balance, there is no monthly fee, and it's actually really helpful. Your transactions are going to be processed in less than 10 minutes and it's available worldwide. So consider using the link below so you can have access to your RTM account and you can connect it with PayPal. Okay, let me show you some proof, right? Because people want to make sure that they're going to get paid with this. Okay, for example, we have this person that they already withdraw $4, 178, 36, 16, 37 here, 126, 485, almost 300 here. And you can see like a lot of people are actually earning money with this. Okay, so what's the website? What do you need to do? Well, the website is called AtiClick. Okay, and you're gonna go to aticlick.net and you're gonna land here. Okay, they do have several activities that you can do if you want to earn extra cash online. Okay, they're gonna have contests, they're gonna have pay to promote, they're gonna have bonus stats, you can refer people, you can actually complete offers, complete surveys, and they have been online and paying since March 2020. Okay, you can get paid with PayPal, with Perfect Money, with Payer, with RTM. Okay, so this is actually how you are gonna be earning money. Completing surveys, doing offer walls, doing content. Okay, this is 100% free to join. There is no restriction, okay, or where you can do this. Okay, and that's something actually really important for me. Okay, so now how you can join them. Okay, you will need to click here where it says register, and you're gonna land on this page. Okay, on this page, they're going to ask you for your full name, a valid email address, a username, a password, your year of birth, and your place of birth. Okay, that's it. Okay, there is no restriction. After you log in into your account, you're going to land here. Okay, you're going to land here. You're going to have the opportunity to earn money. If you click here where it says earn money, you're going to see that you have the advertisement, CPX daily surveys, the daily offers, okay, daily surveys, like one of daily surveys, offer lotus, and so on. We're gonna go with view advertisement. Okay, that's the very first way in which you can earn money. Okay. So I can upgrade my account, but I'm not gonna do that. For example, I have this daily survey. They are gonna pay me 69. Actually, this is actually $69. With this one, it's 40.50. Okay. Here you're gonna see that I have other activities with less than a cent, but the duration is actually 7 seconds, 7 seconds, 30 seconds here. Okay. But let me show you another way in which you can actually earn more money. This is going to be actually a hack. Okay. If you click here where it says my account, you're going to land again on your account page, but you're going to go with the daily offers. Okay. Here on the daily offers, you're going to see something actually really great. By the way, guys, if you're enjoying this content so far, please give me a thumbs up. That's going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my video. It's going to be helping my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell. Also, in the comment area, please let me know what's your favorite payment method. If you like to get paid with PayPal, maybe with Payer, maybe with AirTM, there is another payment method that you would like to use, like cryptocurrencies. Let me know in the comment area because I want to make sure that I'm going to be creating content that is available in your area and that is going to be helpful. Okay. Now let's go back to the video. As you can see here, we have, surveys in which we're going to be earning way more money. For example, we have this one with 1,750 cents, which is $17.50. We have this other one, which is 1,925 cents, which is actually $19.25. Here, this one, you can get paid up to $20. Okay, so this is actually another way in which you can actually earn even more money just using add to clicks. Remember, we went to my account. Okay, so there are several ways, including contests. Okay, so if you're actually really active with this, you can earn even more money. For example, we have Larry. Larry complete 27 offer walls. Okay, he earned a total of 1323. Okay, and the potential price, you can see it here. Okay, so this is a great way in which you want to increase the money that you're actually earning. And as you can see, this is a reliable website that has been paying, for about 2 years by the time recording this video. Okay, so there is no excuses, guys. Okay, you just need to do these tricks and you're going to be earning money. Also, another way in which you can actually earn money is by referring people. Okay, you can go here to direct referrals and you can start referring, okay, people. So that's another way, guys, in which you can actually earn money with ad clicks. It's actually really simple. It's actually up to you if you want to go with surveys, if you want to go with the offers. Okay, if you remember, need and want to follow this full tutorial so you can have several ways in which you can actually make money online. There's something that I have to tell you guys, that this is not my favorite way in which you can actually earn money online. So if you want to discover what's my number one recommendations to make money online, so you can make money while you travel, you can make money while you sleep, you can actually have the opportunity to, earn money, and I mean like life-changing money. I'm going to leave the link below. That's going to be the very first link in the description. Okay, so keep watching the next video, guys. And remember, please let me know where you guys are from and what's your favorite payment method. Now, until next video.